road trip. Good morning everyone, I'm SeAnn Pittman, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are heading to Maryborough. What's in Maryborough, you ask, and why the hell are we going there? Well, so mum and dad have recently purchased an investment property up there, and the place was built in, I think, about the 20s. It's old, it's tired. So they've enlisted my services to head up there this weekend to help them out, to give it a little bit of sparkle. But first, let's put on our Stardust. Let's do this. Alrighty, so we are officially on the road. Me and my beautiful little traveling companion over there are set for a road trip to Maryborough. It's about a 3-hour drive, so we are looking forward to it. It's about 9:10 in the morning. We're hoping to get there about midday, so that seems all very achievable. This little guy is my very best travel partner, everyone. If you haven't already met Squid up close and personal, here he is. So we are just passing through Gympie at the moment, and we got out and had a quick pit stop, and we are moseying onto Maryborough. But usually he sleeps in the back, but he's very interested in what's going on at the moment. So we have officially arrived in Maryborough, and as you can see, the dog is trying to escape under the fence. So let me show you the house. I've just done a walkthrough to open up the gates, but sometimes I don't know what we were thinking when we purchased this, but anyway, let me show you the house. Ladies and gentlemen, we've bought what looks like a rook. I, again, don't know what we were thinking, but anyway, it has potential. All that we're here to do today or over the weekend is to give it a freshen up. This is carpet that has probably not been changed since the 70s, but surprisingly still intact. I'm not actually sure if this works, but I love the height of these though. Let me show you. If you can see that, but there's not a lot of headroom between me and the arches. So. And we've got a heatery thing, and there's definitely not much room. So hopefully short people apply. So the kitchen is it's spacious. The orange is probably one of the least offensive things as far as the color scheme goes of this place. But let me show you the super scary space, which is this one. So here, I just want you to take a moment, and we have ivory for the cupboards, orange for the kitchen, like an olivey green color, and a mustard color, all within like one tiny little space. So here's the room. The walls are kind of a hideous yellow color, and so is that one. And then the rest is olive with the world's ugliest curtains. And I don't know what they thought, but there's the extra toilet, and there's a gate. So it's a number 2 with a view, I guess. As well, so that's the house. Of the morning is that I found a laundromat that's super close by, and the first 2 loads of curtains are done, and I've got 1 load to go. The Hills Hoist clothesline, and because they're rubber-backed curtains, it wasn't able to kind of flush all of the detergent out of them, so now I've got to go grab the hose and hose the curtains once they're on the clothesline. The things we do for family. About 4:45 on Saturday afternoon here in Maryborough, and this situation is way worse than I initially thought. So I've managed to get all the curtains off now. Mum and dad have just arrived and totally had a meltdown about what needs doing and how filthy this place is. I don't understand when people sell a house why they don't actually clean it. All they do is take out the crap and walk away. Like, seriously, look at all of the cobwebs and the shit on the roof. Like, who is okay leaving their stuff like that? But anyway, rant over. So I have been washing the walls literally with a bucket, and I have now done the ugly room. This is now all done and clean looking, so I'm quite proud of this. And I will start painting, I think. Progress update. It is 6:30 p.m. on Saturday night and I'm dying. I am absolutely knackered. It's been a massive day. However, I haven't done quite as much as I wanted to. As you can see, that wall is still fugly mustard yellow. However, check this out. How cool is that looking? Well, maybe not cool at this point, but certainly a hell of a lot better than ugly mustard yellow. So props for that. I had to literally clean every surface. So I had to clean the roof, the walls, the floor, the skirtings. Like, this place was filthy, but I did clean the kitchen and look, no more cobwebs. So this is actually feeling a little bit hospitable now, which is really good. But yeah, when they said it needs a little bit of sparkle, I didn't realize that was code for it needs an entire bond cleaning and a paint and the front garden landscaped and like all of those things. So it was a much bigger thing than we initially thought. Well, good morning everyone. We stayed the night in Hervey Bay last night and it's just beautiful. Thinking I was getting this amazing sleep in. And I woke up and I was like, okay, well, I don't feel super rested because yesterday was a huge day, but it'll do. No, it's 5:45. So, so we are just going for a morning walk on the beach because it is right across the road. And it's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is a Saturday night gone wrong. Or right, who knows, but caption this. We have fancy shoes, we have a cooker, we have an esky, we have some kind of can or something, and we've got a wine bottle, a lid to it, and I'm guessing a t-shirt or some boxes. So caption that. Good morning everyone, it is day 2 of housing Renos. We are just travelling back from Hervey Bay. It's about 35 minutes northeast of Maryborough, and went for a beautiful walk on the beach this morning before heading out, and coffee. So we are all set to go for the day. Things you see in Maryborough. Well, we are back at it for day 2. Coat down. Pretty damn good if you ask me. Okay, so it is 11:15 and we're tracking really quite well today. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, this room has 2 coats. How good. Off for a Bunnings sausage. Bunnings trip. So I'm wrapping at Bunnings with Stardust Cosmetics super comfortable face masks. Okay, the third and hopefully final coat is on. Let me show you this, guys. I am super proud of my efforts. I am not a DIY girl, but check that out. Like, seriously, how much better does that look? Next up, the windows. Is 4:20 and I've just finished cleaning the windows so they look a million times better than they did. So now I've got the carpet cleaning machine here from Bunnings and I'm just filling up some water for the first load. So I've got to return it by 6, and I've got like 2 big bedrooms, the main living, kind of whatever this area is, and like the games room out the back. So lots of space, plenty to do. Hey guys, it is 5 to 6 on Sunday evening, and we are finally starting to look like we might be getting towards the end of everything. Yay! It's done an amazing job of the garden. So all of this slop that was just overgrown weeds is all nicely finished now, and we're just starting to hang the curtains. So we've carpet cleaned the floors, we've washed all the windows, we've done the screens. Like, it's been a massive production, but we made it. So hopefully we'll be probably maybe out of here by 7, and then we have to drive to Brisbane. Well everyone, I am grotty, hot and sweaty, tired, with everything that hurts, are officially done. So we've pulled all the curtains down, washed them, we've washed all the walls, we've washed the roof, we've painted the room, and I'm really, really proud of how it turned out. So come take a quick look. So this is the main room. We've cleaned all the walls. Hey, sweetie. This is all live. Yes, I know it's terribly old-fashioned and outdated, but we are good to roll. But check out my room, which I am super happy about. And this guy's all done. Curtains are rehung. Look at my white room. Yes, ugly curtains, but that seems to be the thing of the day. But it's all finished. Well, it's 11:45 p.m. on Sunday night, and we are officially home. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye guys.